N8n versus Flowise AI. Let's start with N8n. So N8n is an open source workflow automation tool like Zapier or Make, but built for developers. You can self-host it and automate anything using API calls, logic, and custom scripts. Now let's talk about its pros and cons. It is open source and self-hostable. It is also ideal for API integrations, automations, and data movement. It also offers hundreds of nodes for apps, webhooks, and databases, and it's great for developers and DevOps. Now the downside is though, it's not designed for LLM native logic, and the UI can get messy and large workflows, and it requires some technical setup. Now for Flowise. Flowise is also an open source, low-code LLM app builder that lets you visually connect large language models or LLMs components like ChatGPT, tools, APIs to create your own AI agents or apps. Now let's talk about its pros and cons. So for the pros, it's built specifically for AI agent workflows. It is easy to drag and drop the chains. It's also perfect for prototyping, AI chatbots, tools, and RAG apps, and is self-hostable open source. Now for the downside is though, it lacks the traditional workflow automation features and the early stage fewer integrations than N8n, and it's not ideal for general task automation. Now choose N8n if you want a robust general-purpose automation tool for APIs, and choose Flowise if you're building AI-driven apps or agents with LLMs like ChatGPT or Cloud.